Hello, and welcome to Blue Marble Kids. We will learn more about climate change and the environment. Today, we will be exploring why food waste is so harmful for the environment. When we throw away food, we often do not think about all of the energy it takes to get the food to your plate. Just to grow plant-based food requires lots of energy, land, and water. The plants must be harvested. The machinery that harvests the crops uses energy and unfortunately often still runs on fossil fuels. Next, the food must be packaged. A lot of times this packaging is made of plastic which does not break down for 450 years. One plastic straw that you use for only 20 minutes takes 200 years to decompose. This leads to additional detrimental effects to the ecosystems in our oceans, as many animals mistake plastic for food. Producing the materials for packaging also requires machinery which uses fossil fuels. As a result, carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are released, all of which contribute to global warming and climate change. Finally, the produce must be transported to and from each site, including the processing plants and stores where our food is created and bought. Again, fossil fuels are used for much of the trucks, planes, and trains that transport our food. All of this contributes to the warming of Earth's climate. The average food will travel 1,500 miles before arriving on your plate in front of you. That is the same distance as 26,400 football fields. This is one of the reasons why you may hear people talking about buying local food, as it is more fresh and less fossil fuels are used to transport it. Meat and fish products need their own additional steps, including growing and transporting the food for the animals, which in many cases is corn or other plants which use energy to grow. They also need lots of refrigeration to keep the produce cool and fresh. When you throw away leftover food, it is transported to a landfill. When the food gets broken down in the landfill, methane is released. Methane is a greenhouse gas which contributes to the warming of our planet. As you can see, fossil fuels are a large part of the food producing process, which means that if we simply waste our food, we are wasting all of the energy that was needed to make it. So, it is important to be mindful of how much food we waste. Be sure to check out the other Blue Marble Kids video to learn more about how you can reduce your food waste.
Created using Powtoon.